Milk is tastier than orange juice. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice, comparing things plus a conversation. So be sure to stick around for the second part for the conversation. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Okay, great. Let's do it. Milk is tastier than orange juice. I enjoy milk more than orange juice. Pickles are crispier than peas. I like pickles more than peas. Airplanes are faster than boats. I like flying more than boating. She is happier than he is. She enjoys life more than he does. It is hotter today than it was yesterday. I enjoy warmer days more than colder days. Science is harder than art. I like art more than science. Spiders are scarier than mice. Mice creep me out more than spiders. Visors are cooler than hats. Hats are better in winter than visors. Okay, conversation. Which do you prefer? Milk or orange juice? It's difficult, but I have to say milk. How about you? Which do you prefer? Yes, me too. I prefer milk. Which do you prefer? Pickles or peas? It's difficult, but I have to say peas. How about you? Which do you prefer? Not me. I prefer pickles. Which do you prefer? Flying or boating? It's difficult, but I have to say flying. How about you? Which do you prefer? Yes, me too. I prefer flying. Which do you prefer? Summer or winter? It's difficult, but I have to say summer. How about you? Which do you prefer? Not me. I prefer winter. Which do you prefer? science or art? It's difficult, but I have to say science. How about you? Which do you prefer? Yes, me too. I prefer science. Which do you prefer? Spiders or mice? It's difficult, but I have to say mice. How about you? Which do you prefer? Not me. I prefer spiders. Which do you prefer? Visors or hats? It's difficult, but I have to say hats. How about you? Which do you prefer? Yes, me too. I prefer hats. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.